Hello, good day, guys. My name is Nick, technical analyst with SuperForex. Today, we shall be looking at the technical analysis on the cryptocurrency pair LTC USD. And first, we'll be talking about fundamentals before we move right down to technicals, which is purely what we'll be seeing on the chart. We have seen Litecoin has seen an increase in its volume in the past 7 days amidst the high anticipation surrounding its upcoming halving event. And LTC has shown impressive price action since January. Although it's down a little in the past 24 hours, its price gain in the last 30 days is quite encouraging. With this performance, Litecoin is among last week's top gainers in the crypto market. Last week, the crypto even outperformed Ethereum in the total number of addresses. Let's see some of the factors pushing Litecoin's price action. Related reading, we have Ethereum bearish signal, profit taking its highest level since February 2021, is the upcoming Litecoin halving pumping Litecoin price. And of course, the process aims to maintain a cryptocurrency price stability by keeping the circulating supply in check. Now, block rewards halving on the Litecoin blockchain occur every 4 years, and it is more of an automated process, while halving reduces the number of Litecoins and generated by a network to about 84 million. So miners will only get 6.25 LTC per block instead of 12.5 LTC. Now we're predicting a more increase in the LTC price with halving. And meanwhile, the Litecoin adoption has been on the rise. More merchants are accepting LTC for payments due to its low transaction cost and faster throughput. As a lighter version of Bitcoin, LTC undertakes high speed point of sale transactions at low cost, and these capabilities have attracted more people to use Litecoin for everyday purchases, like sending money and buying goods online. So the LTC price outlook is currently trading on a technical level at 98.48 with a high of $101.61 and a low of $98.02. LTC is down by 2.1 over the last 24 hours within a 7-day increase of 12.5% and a 14-day price gain of 17.0%. Litecoin also has a market dominance of 0.637% from the technical point of view. Litecoin's moving averages are currently flagging a buy action, while the oscillators are neutral. The asset is already trading above the support levels and is pushing to exceed the resistance levels. Litecoin is looking bullish today and is close to its pivot point at 99.61. If its price gets to this level, you might see an even more push higher, while the support levels to watch out for are 93.73. 95.98 and of course 97.36. While the resistance levels to watch out for are $100.98, 103.23 and 104 on the higher time frame, 0.60. Now if we were to make an entry at this point, we are looking at nothing less than 25 pips to the first most recent resistance, and an extension we are looking out for 40, 45, 50 pips from that entry point, of course, which is good money. And that's our technical analysis on today's cryptocurrency pair LTC USD. Now let's move over to the stock markets. Welcome back, guys. And on today's stock market, we'll be having a look at Nokia. And we have seen that Nokia is gaining market share as 2023 growth. And Nokia reputedly beat quarterly operating profit expectations and forecast higher 2023 sales as the Finnish telecom equipment maker said it had been able to gain market share benefiting from 5G rollout in countries such as India. We're taking market share now, as said by the chief executive Pekka Lodmer. Now, Nokia shares open up 5.8% in Helsinki. Nokia saw another year of growth in 2023. in sharp contrast with its main rival, Ericsson. Ericsson has reported a bit lower than expected fourth quarter core earnings and said it's expected a fall in margin in its network business to persist through the first half of 2023, citing weak sales of 5G equipment in markets such as the United States. I guess the reason is that we have a more optimistic view on the size of the Indian market. Nokia has also managed to diversify its customer base from network service providers to industrial customers who set up their own private 5G networks at power plants, utilities, and mines, among others. We estimate that the world economy is only 30% digitalized compared to what the full potential is, and that is exactly what we want to see. Now, Nokia's fourth quarter comparable operating profit rose to 1.15 billion euros from 908 million last year, beating the 924.6 million euro mean forecast of 10 analysts brought by Refinitiv. Now, Nokia's forecast full-year net sales of between 24.9 billion euros and 26.5 billion euros, which implies between 2% growth and 8% is constant currency. And we expect 25.5 billion euros, of course. Now, net sales of 16% to 7.45 billion euros are beating an estimate of 7.11 billion euros, which is an wholesome good amount. Apart from growing demand from business customers, the company also got contracts from India telecom operators for the launch of 5G in that country as expected. And now this has been having not much effect on the market, but we are expecting a turnaround of things from the downpour to a new zone. We're looking at least a touch off to clear off this gap and possibly this gap as well. So if we were to make an entry at this point and let our trade run out to the point, we are looking at about 15 pips. An extension, we are looking at 27 pips from that trade entry, which is good money. And maybe an extension to the next resistance point. From that point, we're looking at 41 pips, of course, which is good money. And that's our technical analysis on today's commodity, Nokia. I remain your host, Nick. Bye for now.